not the way that you should do it. Instead, you should use the built-in extension mechanism inside of accept headers and put the version after the semicolon. Now, what you use as the key value pair is kind of up to you and your API. It could just be V. In this case, it could be VER. It could be version. I'm not sure yet if we've solidified on one. I've seen all three done. But the nice thing is that the MIME type is still essentially application vendapp JSON, right? So it's actually JSON, it's application. You can break it down to application JSON, but we can add on these extensions, and it keeps a nice clean separation between the extensions of the MIME type and the MIME type itself. So that's the second way to do it. I'm going to propose to you a third way, the way that I think it should be done, and the way that, that I do it in one of the products that I work on, and that is no versioning, all right? So here's why I suggest that you should be doing no versioning. You have this resource, okay, and there's some assumptions here. This resource is going to change over time, all right? It may add things, it may remove things. What I would propose is that your clients should be a little bit more lenient with how they accept that data, all right? So you want to essentially have the client to be able to fail gracefully when elements are not there. Now, that may not always be possible. The second best thing, if that's not possible, is to just never remove stuff, okay? So if it just don't remove it. You could empty it out, and then the clients have to, it's basically doing the same thing, though. You're saying to the client, hey, you need to be a little bit smarter about how you handle this stuff. Now, the downside, of course, is that if you do make changes, those boundaries are going to be they could potentially be painful. I think that when you're dealing with APIs, that actually is a good thing. You want that pain to exist. And there's a reason for that. You should not be breaking APIs except in the most severe cases. All right? That's what it boils